the telephone. Number ending in 0567, press *6 again. If your number ends in 0567, you muted yourself. That was for the other person on the phone.
Okay, phone number ending in 2202. I need a name, please.
Fletcher Tarver.
Could you spell your first name, please? Is it Fletcher?
Yes, ma'am.
And
my
the
last name is Tarv, like Valentine, ER.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room. An attorney will be there in a bit, but there's going to be a wait. So please just be patient. Room 21. All right, now I've got phone number ending in 0567. What is your name, please? *6, please, on phone number ending in 0567. *6 so that I can hear you or I have to remove you. There we go. What's your name?
Cynthia Tyson.
Thank you, Ms. Tyson. All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. There will be a wait. Please be patient. Don't hang up. They're coming to you. Room 22, go ahead and hit join. Okay, Ms. Preston. Is she a delayed sentence review?
Yes.
And how are we doing?
No payments yet.
All right, Ms. Preston, you're here 3 months after your delayed sentence was imposed with no payments made at all. Let's get it unmuted and figure out what's going on, please.
I went down to Wayne. I went down to 36th District, and I did pay some tickets. I had to pay a few tickets for you guys, and then I had to pay a few tickets for East Point in order for me to get my reinstatement fee. In order for me to get my license. So I've been having hardships, and I wasn't able to pay them as soon as I probably should have, but I did pay them. I paid some of them. I didn't pay all of them. And I paid the ones that I needed to pay for me to be able to get my reinstatement fee. And I have my permit, and then I go take my driver's test Tuesday.
Okay, so this was a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning this is how you keep a misdemeanor from getting on and staying on your record. Okay, right. So I get that you need to get your license in order. Good job working towards that. That's great. When you're paying tickets, you need to let them know now that you're kind of at the stage where you can get your license back. When you go to pay again, you need to tell them that you need to prioritize this ticket that you have a delayed sentence on. Okay. I don't want you to get on your record. You're doing the right thing. Sounds like you had a little one there that you were dealing with too. So, we don't want to do that to you, but I need you to get it paid. What I'll do is I'll extend this out. I'll give you another 3-month delay because it sounds like you've been paying tickets. Okay. So I'll give you another 3 months. It's $190.
Okay.
And that will mean that it is due August the 17th.
Okay.
All right. All right. August 17th. Okay. Don't wait until the 17th because once it cuts off, they won't take the money from you. So try to get paid by like the 16th. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. 190. You got another 2 months. Have a great day, Ms. Preston.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye. Good morning. Zoom user, please unmute. I need a name.
This still Anthony Thomas. I'm trying to connect to my next court date.
I'm sorry.
This is Anthony Thomas. I talked to you earlier. I wanted to reschedule. I got another court date. I'm still trying to connect to that court date. It's still sending me back here.
What number are you dialing when you try to connect? If you're dialing 360-437-0000, it's going to keep bringing you back here.
Okay.
Is it a 36 district case?
Yes, ma'am.
And who are you with? What judge?
I don't know the judge.
Okay. If you give me a moment, I can try to help you, but I've got to wait for the clerk to be done with something that she's doing. So it'll take a minute.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right, Anthony Thomas. Mr. Thomas, do you have a middle initial or a middle name that's going to be a common name for us in our system?
Bishop Anthony Bishop. My full name is Anthony Bishop Lashard Thomas.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Attorney Horn. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
I love that jacket. So pretty.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, you got lots of attorneys waiting for you.
Okay, I'm gonna grab Lunguski just in case. It looks maybe one of these is.
And actually, I don't think I've checked that person in.
Okay.
No.
All right, good deal. Just making sure that that's not one of their attorneys, his case.
Mm-mm.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? So he needs to call that.
Yeah.
Anything for Mr. Thomas?
Okay, what's the question?
His name, he doesn't know where he's supposed to be. He has another court date.
I will show him for us for today.
All right, give me 1 second. Attorney Hijazi, I need to quickly get you into room 2 because city attorney is here as well as the officer on your case.
Thank you.
Yeah, please join room 2. Let her know that you're here on Perrin with Lunguski, Officer Lunguski. Attorney Dupree.
Judge, I think we're ready on Mr. Pickett.
We'll need just a moment. We're in the middle of one thing. What was that, Kim?
I only see him with us.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, we're not showing any other court dates for you for 36.
You're not? My judge gave me the date of today. I don't know my judge, my attorney.
What's it for?
I had a possession charge. And I mean, loitering all over the place.
Possession and loitering?
Yeah, no, it was loitering. At first, it was possession. Then it became loitering all over the place.
What are you saying after loitering? All over the place?
Unlawful. I'm sorry. Unlawful.
Oh,
play.
okay.
An AWOL ticket.
Well, what's on our docket for today for Mr. Thomas?
Okay, I need to.
Okay, go ahead with what you're doing. I'm going to look at this.
Because I think the clerk I don't know what's going on. Were you with Judge Holmes at one time?
I'm not sure. The judge never told me her name. I didn't even know about the stuff. It was just a ticket that I called a long time ago. I got pulled over and they sent me the.
I don't need to know the details of it or anything. I'm just trying to make sure. Okay, so it was referred back to you.
The officer's just gotten here. So listen, you've got a charge in my courtroom for operating an illegal business. What clerk is saying is it looks like at one point you were with Judge Holmes and because she does a special program, maybe you left her program and it got sent back here. Were you on probation or anything with Judge Holmes?
No, ma'am. She put me on a tether. That's about it.
Okay, well, Mr. Thomas, I don't see other cases for you today. I don't see any other cases for you with 36. Officer Page just got here in your matter. Officer Page, sending you to room 1. Well, we need to figure it out. And all I know is that everything we have says you're supposed to be here today, Mr. Thomas.
Okay.
Did you have an attorney that you were working with?
No, it was a court-appointed attorney.
Yep, it probably is best that you stay here because I don't show any other matters and the officer is hearing your matter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room. You're going to go to 23. Please hit join and then just be patient for me.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. I apologize about this.
It's okay. Just relax. It's all right.
All right.
Okay. You guys may have to go get your clients. I'm trying to get people out and they're not responding. In the meantime, may I have the Alfred Pryor file?
Judge, if the court wants to throw me in with him, I can go try to get him out.
Okay, I think you have co-host.
I don't believe
No, you don't.
so.
Why not? There we go. Now you do.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Alfred Pryor, good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1402390, City versus Alfred Pryor. Let's see. They've stacked a bunch of tickets in here. Madam Clerk, they've given me a whole bunch of tickets for Mr. Pryor that's not on the docket. Many of them from 2 and 3 years ago. Yeah, I know. So
I can go for it.
yeah,
They're probably closed.
are we muted? Before you start.
Your Honor, did you accidentally mute yourself? I can't hear you.
Yeah, I was speaking to Madam Clerk. Yes.
Oh, okay. No problem. I didn't know if you were talking to the courtroom. Okay. I'm sorry. So I have a client, Mr. Pettigrew, that there's a note that he has outstanding warrants. When I give him his pretrial date, will the warrant matters automatically catch up with these?
They will.
Okay.
We'll just make that we need to remove all the warrants. What's the name again?
Carol Pettigrew.
Pettigrew. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, Attorney Dupree on D'Angelo Pickett, calling ticket number 761-259, P155-6246, and 733-411. These are all City versus D'Angelo Pickett. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, P132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Pickett, your name, please.
D'Angelo Pickett.
Counsel.
Judge, today's date and time set for pretrial on this matter. We have reached a proposed resolution under which the defendant would plead guilty on the reckless driving ticket to a reduced count of failure to use due care or caution in proximity to a waste utility vehicle. All other counts would be dismissed per plea upon stipulation of probable cause. We would so stipulate and ask the court to adopt the resolution.
Thank you. All right, so I have some 2024 misdemeanors for improper plates, no insurance, and consuming marijuana on a boat.
Correct, Your Honor.
ORV, all dismissed per the plea.
As well as there should be a separate no insurance matter.
Yes. And Madam Clerk, waste utility vehicle, is that misdemeanor or?
Misdemeanor.
Thank you. Mr. Pickett, is this all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Just need you to answer, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on February 7th of 2024 in the area of St. Aubin and Franklin that you either engaged in reckless driving or failed to use due care and caution in proximity to a waste utility vehicle?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel, are you satisfied with that factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sir, the fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. You must do one of those two things to keep the deal in place, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. All right, I'm still waiting, Madam Clerk, on files for Richard Tyson. Oh, because we don't have it from Friday. Okay. All right,
Thank you, Your
well,
Honor. Mr. Pickett, you can log off now. That's it. You just
Yeah.
gotta pay the fine.
Okay, thank you.
have a good day.
You too.
Can you call the Richard Tyson matter, please, Madam Clerk, since I don't have a case number. Attorney Barrett, what are we doing with Mr. Tyson, please?
Judge, we just need to set bench trial date again.
All right, Mr. Tyson, when we have a bench trial, we are subpoenaing police officers away from their other duties to show up for court. And they did. So if you are having an issue getting in for trial, you need to call the court because I have officers sitting and waiting for an hour for somebody who's not showing up, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Tyson? Okay, can you call him? You can
S-
call one.
SP 1164028 counts 1 and 2 for Richard Tyson and all other matters that were scheduled for trial on Friday, May 15th, 2026.
Thank you. Attorney Barrett?
Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Richard Tyson, P43238. Judge, we're asking to recall if there are warrants, if there are any. He wants a bench trial date, please.
We will recall the warrants and we will set the bench trial for June 17th of 2026, if that works for you, Attorney Barrett.
1 second, Judge. June 17th, that's fine.
Okay. Madam Clerk, June 17th for Mr. Tyson, bench trial. Thank you. All right, Mr. Tyson, have a good day.
Excuse me, Judge, what time?
Yes, 9:30.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, now let's get to, I'll be right with you, Attorney Becker. Mr. Pryor, calling ticket number P146. Oh, gosh. P1464649 and P1402390. Both are City versus Alfred Lee Pryor. Mr. Pryor, please state your name for the record.
Alfred Lee Pryor.
Thank you, Mr. Pryor. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, which is a reduction. And then your sorry, one moment. Your no insurance ticket would be dismissed. Is that no, wait a minute. Improper license. Hold on. Your improper license ticket would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yeah.
I need you to speak up, Mr. Pryor, and I need you to pay attention. The court reporter is trying to take a record.
Yes.
Are you driving?
No, I'm sitting in the car because it was a little bit noisy in the house.
All right, thank you. Okay, so once again, you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license.
Okay.
And the other operating without a valid license will be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Sir, is it true that on November 1st of 2022, in the area of Second Avenue in Pallister, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal remains in place. Have a great day.
All right.
Thank you. May I have the Ahmed Taha file, please, Madam Clerk? In the meantime, Mr. Tuff, calling ticket number P1894720, P1563260. These are both City versus Athen Tuff. Mr. Tuff or Ms. Tuff, I can't tell, it's too dark. Please unmute, state your name.
Athen Tuff.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. All right. Looks like you're pleading to or admitting to 1 to 5 overspeed limited access with 2 other charges being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did
Yes,
anyone
Your Honor.
promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilt? Are you admitting this because you did in fact do it? Mr. Tuff, you're going to have to admit that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit.
I say yes, ma'am.
Okay, I didn't hear that part. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, no one
My
over here.
phone is like, the sound is
Okay.
like bugging.
All right. $125, 60 days to either pay it or get on a payment plan with the cashiers, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, sir. Attorney Becker, on Taha, is your client here? Are you waiving appearance?
Waive his appearance, Your Honor.
Thank you. Then, Madam Clerk, may I have the parent file, please, as well? You know you have an officer in room 1 on Anthony Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're trying to get we don't have the original ticket.
Just making sure you know. Okay. All right. On Taha, calling ticket number P1881480, City versus Ahmed Taha. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, Frank G. Becker appearing on behalf of Mr. Ahmed Taha. Your Honor, I would ask the court to dismiss the charges in this case. I think that the statute was not met, and also I don't believe that the officer is present.
Thank you. Attorney Horn.
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. I don't believe we're addressing the issue that we discussed, the substantive issue you have. You haven't sent me anything or briefed it, but I don't believe Officer Zoe has appeared. So that would be a dismissal without prejudice.
Was this scheduled for 8:30 a.m.?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. There will be a dismissal without prejudice at this time due to the officer's failure to appear. Attorney Becker, if you're seeking a dismissal with prejudice, then if it gets refiled, you'll need to, sounds like, brief whatever that issue is.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a memorandum of law. Who should I send it to, Sister Counsel?
You can send it to my email.
Okay, could you say your name again, please?
Yes, it's Tamika Horn, and that's Horn Tom, Horne.
Thank you.
TOM. Okay, you're just gonna look it up on the bar?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Yep, it should be in there. Yes, Attorney Becker, thank you.
All right, have a good day, Attorney Becker. Thank you.
All right, cool.
All right, Attorney Hijazi, calling ticket number P1900985, City versus Lenka Perrin. I thought that person was here. Where are they?
Your Honor, I'd actually request a waiver of their presence.
And Your Honor, Officer Lunguski was here, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, I did check him in. Attorney Baughman, good morning, making you co-host. I'm fine with you waiving presence, but I thought I checked them in, maybe not. Okay, all right. Okay, Attorney Hijazi, what are we doing here? Good morning, Attorney Baughman.
Your Honor, the prosecutor is offering blockading traffic. At this time, I have full authority to enter a responsible plea on my client's behalf for blockading, if Your Honor would accept that.
Okay, your admission is accepted. The blockading fine is $175, 60 days for your client to pay or get on a payment plan.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good morning.
Attorney Hajazi. Attorney Bachman, good morning. I've given you co-host. Let's see if Pugh is here.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yep. Oh no, I have Lamont Pugh checked in. All right, but not Karen Pugh.
No, I haven't heard from her in a minute. I'm going to continue to try to get her to the meeting, and I'm standing by. Thank you.
Thanks. Let's see who's here on these phones. Okay, for folks on the phones, the way you unmute is *6. As I call your number, please unmute. Phone number ending in 7384. Please push *6, unmute, and give me a name. All right, guys, I've got a really busy docket today, so either we're going to do this or you're going to be removed. 2190, *6, please. 2190, *6 to unmute. All right, phone number ending in 9656. 9656, I need you to unmute and give me a name, please.
Madison Troop, Dewan Tresvant.
All right, phone number ending in 2190, what is your name?
Madison Troop.
Madison?
Madison Troop.
Spell the last name, please.
T-R-O-U-P-E.
Thank you. Hopefully I've gotten the first name right. Phone number ending in 9656. I need your name, please.
Dewan Tresvant.
Spell Dewan.
D-E-J-U-A-N.
Thank you. You're both going to be placed in breakout rooms. There is a wait to speak with the attorneys, and it will be quiet in the room until they get to you. We know you're there. We know you're waiting. Please just wait patiently. Room 24, Mr. Tresvant, Mr. Troop, room 25. I've got the phone number ending in 7384. Still looking for a name. *6 to unmute, please, and give me a name. Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Your Honor, I'm in the room with Lauren Tyler Blackwell. She's not on my docket. When I looked up her ROAs, it says that her last court date was May the 4th, but no next date is there for her matter. She was arraigned on the bench warrants on May the 4th. I don't have her on my docket, so I'm trying to figure out if you all can figure out what's going. She said she was given today's date. I'm trying to figure out.
I'm sure she was. I wasn't here that day.
So we're always trying to clean up the mess that gets made when Kim wants to take a day off. Poor Kim.
Okay. So she has 5 matters, it looks like, on the register. I can just do her 5 matters. I didn't know if she was on the docket or what was going on with her. So that's why my question was.
Okay, yeah. So if you can take care of them, we'd appreciate it.
No problem.
All right, I've got Dakira Tucker, and then we'll go to Deneen Taylor. Dakira Tucker, calling ticket number P1885337, City versus Dakira Tucker. Ms. Tucker, please unmute. Yes. Please start your video. And state your name.
Dakira Tucker.
Thank you. Your tickets are dismissed for compliance. Ms. Tucker, have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, Deneen Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
Calling ticket number P1900244 and P1900242, City versus Deneen Gerard Taylor. Please state your name for the record.
My name is Deneen Gerard Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like you've taken care of all of these matters. Good job getting that done. Attorneys have, defense counsel has asked me to dismiss all based on compliance. I'm going to go ahead and grant that motion at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I've got Elvin Thornton. Thank you for giving me that one. Here we go. We're going to have people asking for help again. Page go. All right. Calling ticket number P1346845 and P1170535. These are City versus Elvin Thornton. Mr. Thornton, please state your name for the record.
Melvin Thornton.
Thank you. Mr. Thornton, it appears you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of open alcohol passenger. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else, get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, he did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. All right. Is it true, sir, that on April 28th of 2022 in the area of Southfield Service Drive and West Chicago Street that you possessed an open container of alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle that was operating on a public roadway?
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. All right. The fine there is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. Do one of those two things to keep your deal in place, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
I do want to advise you, you have a couple of other just traffic tickets that are gone into what's called default. They're too old for me to do anything about because they're civil infractions. So if you see the cashiers, they can put you on a payment plan for those too. I can't get those off your record because they're from 2021.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You as well.
Bye. Okay, can I have Taquanda Terry as well, please? Miss Terry, I'll be right with you. One moment.
Okay.
And then I'll get to you, Mr. Poplar. Calling ticket number P1895983, City versus Taquanda Terry. Miss Terry, just state your name for the record, please.
Okay, I'm trying.
Just your
I
name.
can't get
What's your name?
Taquanda Terry.
Thank you. All right. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid documentation and confirmed that everything is in order, made a motion to dismiss, which I am granted. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Attorney Canada, Officer Canada, I need a first name on Turner, please. Calling ticket number 505963, City versus Michael Poplar. Mr. Poplar, please unmute, state your name for the record.
Michael Poplar, Poplar.
Thank you. Defense counsel has reviewed your valid documentation and made a motion to dismiss. On that basis, I'm granting that dismissal. Ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, Officer Canada. What's the first name or first? Good morning.
Her first name is Asia.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room 1 to see the city attorney.
All right, thank you.
I just see someone in the waiting room. Okay, 3-month delay on Attorney Haisha. Yeah, I see that. That's the offer. Tadgerson. Where is Patterson? There he is. Oh boy, okay, who did I just see come in? Okay, officer, there we go. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Officer sending you to room 1 so that you can meet with the city attorney before I hear your matter. Room 1.
Okay, thank you.
Phone number ending in 2190. I need a name, please. Phone number ending in 2190. What is your name?
Madison Troop.
What happened, sir?
We got to be connected.
All right. Try not to answer your phone or do other things on the phone while you're in this meeting. It will keep kicking you out, and that's going to make you lose your place in line. You're going to room 25. Please hit join.
Your Honor, you want me? I can't hear you.
He has retained counsel. Attorney Haisha is here. It's noted on the room name.
For who?
The person, Tadgerson, who you were just in with.
Oh, okay. I didn't see it. Okay, wonderful.
You know.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, we're ready. It looks like on Anthony Thomas.
Oh.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, I'll be right with you. Give me just a moment.
The green one is Brian.
Mm-hmm.
traffic matters was pre-trial. And I have to run this.
Okay, thank you. Probably dismissing for plea. Yeah, I would assume these are going to be dismissed for plea. Okay, Mr. Thomas. I can see a bit where the confusion is. Give me just a moment. And then Malafite is here on, yep, Townsend. Okay. All right, Mr. Townsend, your attorney is already here. I'm going to get you into a breakout room.
Okay.
Going to room 3. Please hit join. Please join room 3 now. Thank you. Anthony Thomas was in room. That means that Rodney Johnson is with him. He's almost done. He's talking to Mr. Troop. Mr. Thomas, give us just a moment. We'll get this dealt with. Wait, what's Townsend scheduled for? Townsend is scheduled for trial at 9:30. Okay. I'm just looking at this Lamont Pugh with his hand raised because I'm not sure I heard his name correctly, but he's one that's on a phone, and so I'm not hearing him well. His hand raised, it may be because they're not. Just need Attorney Johnson before I can go forward anymore. Hey, Attorney Johnson. How are you?
Good, Your Honor.
Good. Is Madison Troop ready? I'll bring him out. I wanted to ask you about another case.
He is ready, yes.
Okay. On Anthony Thomas, I've got a plea to a 6-month delay for a trial case. So that's a U ticket that was set for trial today.
Yes.
He has 2 other matters that were set today for pre-trial from 2026. One is insufficient lights and one is driver's license never acquired. Do you know if those are being addressed through this plea?
No, it's not. I did not see those.
Okay, that's okay. I'll put Mr. Thomas back in a breakout room so you can speak with Ms. Horn. Mr. Thomas, you have 2 other tickets that you need to get resolved. So I'm going to put you back in breakout so that you can do that, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to move him up. Attorney Johnson, you're on evens or odds? Odds?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just move him up to 5. Is that okay?
That's perfect.
Okay. Mr. Thomas, go to room 5. Mr. Johnson will be right with you. Okay, Mr. Troop, good morning again.
Good morning.
All right, looks like we've got,
Did I finish it? It's a plea to improper place and dismissed too, Your Honor.
one plea to improper place dismissed, the other two. Okay, thank you. All right, calling ticket number P1891105, City versus Madison Troop. Mr. Troop, state your name for the record, please.
Madison Troop.
Thank you. Going to plead to one count of improper plates, two other charges being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
Say you know?
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I am guilty. Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Mr. Troop, were you advised that you have the right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Advised of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yeah.
Do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Right. I understand.
Please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
I do.
Is it true, sir, that on April 1st of 2026 in the area of Davison and Jeffries, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of registration or insurance?
I do.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to either get that paid or see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal remains in place. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, Attorney Juilliard. Which case are you here on, please?
Morning, Your Honor. My name is Chris Drulard, and I'm here for Michael Rice, appearing with consent for Attorney of Record Christopher Nisi, requesting an adjournment of this matter as Mr. Nisi is out of the country. He's actually in Japan now.
Do you know what time Mr. Rice was scheduled for today?
He's scheduled for 9:30. It's now 9:37.
Why am I not seeing him?
It's for Aaron Porter. I see Michael Rice at the office.
Oh, is the defendant Aaron Porter? Michael Rice is the officer, so it's Aaron Porter.
I'm sorry. Yes, it's Aaron Porter. My apologies.
So this matter is set for trial, and we've subpoenaed two different officers to appear today. And so the court may grant the adjournment, but I won't know until 10 a.m. because I've got officers that may show up who have, been subpoenaed to court. So I'm going to need you to give me a moment. All right.
Sure. And I mean, in any event, I just received a request from Mr. Nisi to appear on his behalf on Saturday. So in no way, shape, or form am I prepared to try this case on behalf of Mr. Porter.
Understood. But it may be there may be a dismissal at 10 a.m. is what I'm trying to say to you. So
I see. Okay.
Rather than adjourn it at this time, I kind of need to wait to see if it's going to be a dismissal if the officers don't appear.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. So I'll just I'll stay on, but I'll mute and turn my camera off and come back at 10, if that's okay.
Sounds good. Thanks. Actually, I'm going to stick you in breakout room number 2, and then at 10 a.m. I'll pull you out. That's where city attorney comes. You can just let her know that you're just waiting to see if officers appear. That's all you're doing.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, sure. All right, I'll put you in room 2. Okay, guys, I'm starting to get loaded up out here. Okay, Attorney Johnson.
Your Honor, I couldn't find Fletcher Tarver on my docket, Tarver.
Okay, for Fletcher Tarver, he was scheduled for May 4th. I don't know if he was given a new court date, but right now a warrant was issued. It could be a mistake from May 4th. I don't know.
Okay. Is there anyone? Does he have a lot of tickets or do we know?
He has 5 tickets in warrant status. Profile license not proper, no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled vehicle, violation of restricted license, and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you.
Asia Turner, good morning. I'm placing you in room 4. Your attorney is here and we'll see you shortly. Please go to room 4.
We're not Attorney Johnson, if that'll help.
Okay.
It's like Randy Tucker was released.
My apologies, I'm having connectivity issues.
That's okay. I'm going to rename you and get you back into room 2.
Thank you.
Okay, you can go ahead and hit join, please. Have you spoken with Ms. Hornigan on Anthony Thomas?
Anthony Thomas is ready. I did have offers from her.
So that was the one that I asked you if she was addressing the other matters, the driver's license never acquired and insufficient or defective lights through the plea. You had a 6-month delay on the other one, on the U ticket.
Right, and then the other 2 should be updated comments. Plead the FTD and dismiss the lights.
Okay, do you need to talk to Mr. Thomas about that? Does he know already?
He already knows. He's ready.
Okay, we'll bring him on out. Thank you. Okay, I've got Officer Page with me, so that way we'll get ready to get him out of here as well.
Am I supposed to leave?
One moment, please. You may have to go get Mr. Thomas, Attorney Johnson. I'm trying to get him out, but he's not coming.
All right, thank you.
Officer Harper, which case are you here on, please?
Kevin Purdy.
I heard Evan. What's the spelling of the last name, please? Officer Harper, I need the last name, please. Again, I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, it's going to be Kevin Purry, P-U-R-R-Y.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm hearing Kevin. I don't know. I'm placing you in room 1, Officer Harper. See the city. She'll be back with you shortly. Randy Tucker, did you get a date to come back? Unmute, please.
Yes, I did.
All right.
June the
8th. Okay, we'll see you on June 8th. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
All right,
Madam-
Tyrone, go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. We have Lamont Peel. He's another one of your May 4th people. He does, so he's not on the docket either.
Is it P-E-E-L-E?
P-E-A-L.
Oh, okay. P-E-A-L. He has warrants for unregistered, untitled vehicle, no insurance misdemeanor, leave the scene of an accident, and disorderly conduct. And he has 3 matters that are in default: accident, unsafe manner, and expired plate. So
Yes, I wanted to give you a heads up because I'm gonna address all of them. But I saw that same date as I saw from that other young lady that wasn't on the docket. So I just wanted to give you a heads up so you knew. Because did you get Miss Miss Tyler Blackwell, I'm gonna send her information over to you because we're gonna assign her an attorney. But did you write her on your list as being here as well today?
Yes.
Okay, so Lamont, he was listed as Lamont Pugh, but it's actually Peel.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so I'll talk to him about his matters.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
And then Pettigrew is repeatedly asking for help. I know you didn't get a response from her earlier, but apparently.
I've been in there twice for Mr. Pettigrew. He was in the bathroom once, and then that whoever was with him told me that, and then I went back and he didn't answer, so he's just gotta wait.
Okay, gotcha.
I'm gonna get back
Thank
to
you.
him as soon as possible.
All good, thank you. Tyrone Tallifer, good morning. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all? Tyrone Tallifer. Tyrone Tallifer.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room so an attorney can come and speak with you before I hear your matter.
Okay.
You're going to go to room 7. Please hit join.
Okay.
Officer Martin, good morning. Mr. Townsend is here. I'll get you into room 1 to meet with the city attorney.
Thank you.
Thank you for naming your device.
No problem.
All right, now to Anthony Thomas, calling tickets number U704-83824, P1890676, and P1891260. These are all City versus Anthony Bishop Lashard Thomas IV. Counsel, your appearance, please. Oh, that's okay. Mr. Thomas, state your name for the record.
Anthony Bishop Lashard Thomas IV.
Officer Page, please unmute. State your name for the record.
Officer Page.
Thank you. It looks like you're going to be pleading guilty under a 6-month delayed sentence on your U ticket. That's the loitering. And then on the other 2, the driver's license never acquired, that's going to be reduced to a failure to display. And then the defective lights is going to be dismissed. Is all of that consistent with your understanding, Mr. Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel inform you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Do you want me to unmute my camera?
Please turn your camera on. Thank you. Officer Page, you need to turn your camera on as well, please. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. Waiting, Mr. Thomas, I need you to say something. Either you do or you don't.
I do. I'm sorry. I do.
Okay. All right. And then this one's being entered under the 6-month delayed sentence. That's the loitering in place of illegal occupation. Is it true that you were loitering in a place of illegal occupation on October 24th of 2024? Looks like at an address on West Hollywood.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. On that one, your fine is $190 and you've got 6 months to get it paid, okay?
Okay.
As long as you pay it in 6 months and don't pick up any similar tickets, this will just get dismissed from your record in 6 months. Got it?
Okay.
All right. Then on your failure to display, is it true that on April 11th of 2026 in the area of Evergreen and Westfield that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yeah.
Thank you. That one's $190. All right, now listen closely. On the failure to display, you've got 60 days to either pay that or get on a longer term payment plan. The cashiers can put you on 6 months or whatever downstairs on the first floor, okay? So if you can't get it paid in the 60 days, that's okay, but you at least have to start on the payment plan. On the other one for the loitering, that's $190. That one you need to get paid in the next 6 months. Got it?
I got it.
If you don't have any problems with getting it paid and you don't pick up any similar tickets on the loitering, you don't have to come back and see me. But if one of those 2 things is not happening, you'll want to come back and see me on November the 16th at 8:30 in the morning so we can try to keep you on track. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Thomas.
You too.
Thanks. Okay, thank you, Officer Page.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. All right, so I've got officers now here on Townsend. I know an officer checked in on Asia Turner. I don't know where they went, but they must have given. Oh, great. Okay. Okay, right. Attorney Haisha, is your client taking that offer?
Hi, Judge. Yeah, he'll take that. I'll just ask that it be a no contest plea for potential civil liability licensing type issues, which I think is fair under 771. And we're good to go on that.
Okay, very good. As long as you and city attorney have agreed, it's fine with me.
Sure.
Trying to get an officer out here on another matter. Give me 1 second. Okay, good morning again, Mr. Tadgerson. Calling ticket number P1890633, City versus Stephen Tadgerson, counsel.
Your Honor, good morning to you and the staff. Vincent Haisha, P76506, appearing with and on behalf of Stephen Tadgerson, who's present through Zoom without objection.
Thank you, Mr. Tadgerson. Please state your name for the record.
Stephen Tadgerson, and good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning. Okay, Attorney Haisha, this I heard is going to be a no contest plea. And are we pleading as charged?
It would be as charged, Your Honor, to the loitering. My understanding is that the city attorney's offered a 3-month delayed sentence. My client understands his right to go to trial on this matter. He'll waive his trial rights, plead no contest, purpose of that being potential civil liability. And we'll ask the court to honor that agreement.
All right, thank you. Mr. Tadgerson, all of that sound correct to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you understand that a no contest plea has the same effects in terms of fines and punishments that I impose today as a guilty plea. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Attorney Haisha, I understand the reason for the no contest plea is civil liability. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And we are using the face of the ticket to establish the factual basis?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Tadgerson, you're no contest, and you are pleading no contest at this time to the loitering charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. $190, 90 days to get it paid. Get it paid. Don't pick up any similar tickets, and this simply gets removed from your record at the end of the 90 days. If something happens outside of that, you can come back and see me on August 17th to try to get back on track. It would be at 8:30 in the morning. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Haisha.
Haisha, take care.
Haisha, thank you. Have a great day. Bye. We have Randall Page. Can I see that file, please? And then Cynthia Tyson. Thank you.
Attorney Ahmed.
Attorney Malafite, I'm just letting you know that you do have clients present now in rooms 3 and 4, and officers are here in both of those matters.
Thank you so much. I was aware of at least one of them. I have texted the attorney or the city attorney. I'm just trying to get confirmations on some of the recommendations.
Gotcha. Yeah, Asia Turner, the officer, did appear. I don't know where they are, but hopefully they've already talked to Ms. Horn because I don't see them in the room anymore, but they were here.
Yeah, that's my understanding. Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Officer Harper, you're a day early on Curry. It's scheduled for tomorrow. Officer Harper, if you can hear me, please unmute. Let's see what Ms. Tyson has going on. Oh, she's in there with her now. Very good. And then I will take the Tresvant file if you have it, please. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Where is that person? Yeah, an attorney check. Oh, good. Okay, yeah, we'll go ahead and get them out of here. I hate that I can't speak in these breakout rooms because I need to be able to communicate. Am I host?
Are you moved to the?
Yeah, I'm in a breakout room.
Yeah.
I can't get attorney Juillard out. What do we have on the docket for this? We have all of these on trials for today, correct?
All that's left.
No, on Porter.
Oh, yeah, they're all on trial.
Just need counsel to come out of the breakout room so we can get it done. Can you help me? Is this, no, I can look at it. I'm going to go ahead and call these since counsel is here, but I can't get him out. So for the record, calling tickets number P1882015 and Z81000061. All of these contain tickets for City versus Aaron Wesley Porter. Noting for the record that counsel is here, has appeared on Mr. Porter's behalf at this time. However, I can't get counsel out of the breakout room. Attorney Johnson, could you please do me a favor? Could you please go in and get the attorney in room 2, just see if you can get a response from him to tell him to come on out. I'm ready to get these cases on the docket.
Okay.
On the record. Okay, thank you so much.
I need Ms. Horn for the Talifer case.
Okay, all right. Hopefully she'll be back with us in a moment.
All right, thank you.
I need that attorney out of room 2.
No.
Thank you.
Good morning, and I apologize. I don't have video, but I'm here by audio.
No problem. All right, I've just called the cases for the record. Would you just enter your appearance, please?
Yes, Christopher Drulard appearing on behalf of Defendant Porter with the permission of Attorney of Record Christopher Nisi.
Thank you. These cases were all scheduled for trial today. The officers who were subpoenaed to appear for trial have failed to appear and failed to notify the court as to the reason for their non-appearance. So I'm going to go ahead and dismiss these without prejudice at this time.
Okay. I'll let Mr. Nisi know.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. Bye.
All right, Mr. Pace, good morning. What time are you supposed to be here today? Need you to unmute, Mr. Pace. Here's the Pace file.
8:30.
All right, what you doing here at 10 a.m., sir?
I had put in the wrong ID number.
Okay. All right, I'll see if I can get somebody in to see you. There's going to be a little bit of a wait, all right? But
yes,
somebody
ma'am.
will be. Thank you. Why do I have 2 room 6s? It's good. Oh, this is room 5. Go ahead and join the breakout room, please, Mr. Pace, so an attorney can come and meet with you. Oh my gosh. Confused. What's going on with this one? Randall Page. Did we run an SOS not licensed? Make sure that they're not supposed to be waiting for another date. Ms. Turner, good morning. Unmute, please.
Good morning.
Did Attorney Malafide ask you to come out?
No, it wasn't no attorney in there. I waited, but it
So
wasn't no
he's waiting to talk to the city attorney. So you need to return yourself to the breakout room. He needs to talk to the city attorney about your case because the officer did appear. So he's got to
Okay.
get an offer from her. Okay, so please go back to the breakout room and wait. Hey, Tompkins. Yeah, okay, thank you. And where's my video? Am I over here with the video? One moment. Okay, there we go. All right, on the iPhone, what's your name, please? On the iPhone, what's your name? Not connected to audio.
Can you hear the court?
Sir, can you hear us? I can just go in and at least see his client. Sir, on the iPhone, we're still waiting for a name. Can you hear us? Sir, can you give, can you give us a name?
Dewan Tresvent, can you hear me now?
Yeah, what happened to you?
I was on the phone, Zoom. It's still, I didn't hang it up. So I can hear
Gotcha.
you.
Okay, let me just look at your file real quick. Did you need video because you're gonna show me your insurance?
Yes. I don't have
Okay.
it. I emailed it. She came in my breakout room and told me to email it. I emailed
Under.
it.
And what'd you do about your tinted windows?
I took the tinted window off.
Great. And where's the car?
It's outside right now. Do you want me to can I go
I
outside like to show you the windshield?
Yes, please. Thank you. Ms. Horn, making you co-host. I know they're waiting on you again.
1 second, let me go outside there.
Would you make sure that Attorney Malafite knows you're here? Okay, he's back in room 2 waiting for you.
Okay, is Johnson in there too, Your Honor? Because he texted me and I talked to Officer.
Yeah, sure is.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh. I don't know who this is. Marjorie Isbell. I've got a device that says Marjorie Isbell. Good morning.
Yes,
Is that your correct name?
yes, I'm a witness
In which case, please?
with Tyrone Talifer.
Thank you.
Can I show you the window now?
One moment, please.
Okay.
I'll put you in room 7 right now with Mr. Talifer, and then if it goes to trial, we'll have to separate the two of you.
Okay,
Room
thank
7,
you.
go ahead and join, please. Uh-huh. Okay, Mr. Tresvan, I'm ready when you are.
Okay. You need to see the VIN number too, right?
I don't need to see, I just want to see the car without the tent.
Oh.
I'll look at the make and model.
How do I switch the camera around?
I mean, you can just turn the phone around. All right, let me see the front windows, please. The passenger and driver front windows. That's very much tinted, Mr. Talifer. I don't appreciate being misled.
But I'm Mr. Tresvant.
Mr. Tresvant, yeah. There's no
They
way
told
you're
me to
gonna-
take. You told me to take this off
Absolutely not. Who told you that?
when I got put over. I'm the officer
No.
of Detroit. Because these was down when I got put over.
Oh,
He
well,
specifically wrote me a ticket for this. They ain't said nothing about this.
sir, it's not legal to have your windows tinted like that. So I can do one of two things. If you want to just pay the window tint, you can do that. Or if you want another date because you're going to get the tent removed, I can give you another date.
I got how much is the ticket for my tent?
$120. And here's the thing. I mean, if you're going to keep the tent, if you're not going to remove it, you can just pay the ticket, but they're going to keep pulling you over for this and you're going to keep having to pay these tickets. You know, that's up to you. It's not putting points on your license, but it keep costing.
I'm gonna pay the ticket only because I'm not gonna be able to remove it right now because my to remove that tint off the side windows I have to go to the shop and I work all week. So I was just gonna get the tint. When I go to the shop, I'm gonna get it lightened up to 35%, so it'll be legal.
Okay, so do you want another date so that you can get the tent removed, or do you want to go ahead and admit to having the tinted windows today and pay the fine?
Can we set up another date?
Yep, and you'll need to make sure that you keep that insurance on you, okay, for the next court date.
Okay.
How long is it going to take you to get your tent off?
I pay next Friday on the 22nd.
Okay, so I'll give you till June 1st, okay?
June 1st, Monday, June 1st? Yep. Okay.
Okay, we'll see you back June 1st, 8:30 a.m., okay? And one of two things will happen on that day. If you've still got the tent, you can pay the fine. If it's removed, then you'll end up getting, and you have your insurance that day, you'll end up getting both dismissed, okay?
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome, bye-bye. Okay. Attorney Malphite?
Thank you for letting me in, Your Honor. I needed to log in a different way so that I could show a video to one of my clients, but we should be ready on Asia Turner. If you just can give me a moment, I'll speak to her and I'll bring her out.
Yep, she's gotten kind of antsy, so I'll get that one.
Understood. I'll take care of it.
Thanks. All right. Attorney Johnson.
Your Honor, I gained a witness and lost a client. But
Oh, no.
yeah, Mr. Talifer. I'm not sure where he is.
He's back.
Okay, here he is. We'll get him in.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. That must be why I had Talifer. Okay, Mr. Talifer, I'm going to move you back to room 7.
Okay, I apologize. My Wi-Fi got disconnected.
All right, room 7. Go ahead and join for me.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll just wait until we're done because we're going to be busy. Asia Turner is going to come out next. What's going on with Aaron Pace in room 8? Oh, Gaten Robinson, she doesn't know he's there yet, so I will move her to room 8. She's done. Understand. Good morning. On the iPhone, please unmute and give us a name.
Rodney Patterson.
And what time were you scheduled for, Mr. Patterson?
Man, I was scheduled for 8:35. I just woke up. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Let's see what you've got going on. You got a no insurance and expired plates. Do you have those things today?
Nope. I'm just gonna plead guilty and pay the fine.
All right, Mr. Patterson, you need to speak with an attorney since you don't have your items, but it's gotten too late. Can you please return tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m.?
Yes, ma'am. Just put it in this Zoom exactly at 8:30 tomorrow.
8:30. Please don't be late.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, we're ready on Asia Turner, I take it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Calling ticket number P1861421, City versus Asia Turner. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafite, P72339, on behalf of Asia Turner. Ms. Turner, go ahead and turn on your video and state your full name for the record.
Yeah, Asia Turner.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, were you making an appearance here? Okay, Attorney Malafite, back to you.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with Madam Prosecutor in regards to this. It's my understanding that the officer did check in this morning, was present, but also is in training this morning. So my client wishes to proceed, and they're not going to be able to proceed this morning. I know that the people are asking for an adjournment. We don't have an objection at the moment, Judge. They're just looking for 3 weeks.
Thank you. All right, where does that put us at 3 weeks? Madam Clerk, let's see, we're at May 18th now. That would put us at June 8th, Monday, June the 8th.
Yes, Your Honor, that should be fine.
Okay. All right, June 8th, 9:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you back then. Thank you.
Give me a moment, Judge, with Mr. Townsend.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, Ms. Turner. Ms. Horn, is anyone, I don't know if she can hear me. Wondering if anybody has talked to her about.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone speak to you about Rayanel Page in room 14? I'm just trying to understand what might be going on there. Been here for a while.
Can't pick up.
Yeah, you're in and out. I didn't hear you.
Let me see. Okay, sorry about that. Ms. Gaten Robinson was trying to call me. I don't know. She doesn't see me in here. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's fine. Because she's that was one of hers that I was wondering about, room 14. I'm wondering what's going on there.
Okay. Do you know what room she's in, Your Honor?
So she's right here with us now, and I'm wondering if this is about room 14, Attorney Gaten Robinson. I was just
Yes,
wondering.
it's about Mr. Page.
Okay, very good. So you guys can go to room 2, I guess, if you want to
Yes,
talk.
I'm sorry. I was
Okay,
calling
thank
her
you, Your
phone. I apologize, Miss Horn. I thought you had dipped out on me. Okay.
Nope.
And then Attorney Johnson, Ms. Horn just went to room 2 if you need her. She just went to room 2. She'll be right there.
Oh, okay. Hopefully she has good news for me.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor,
Uh-huh.
did Dewan Tresmont log back in?
You see the one that had the tinted windows and he
No,
did log back.
he has a no insurance matter under the arraignment on the bench warrants. He was
Yeah,
trying to log
so-
in with video capability, but he did send me his email for his insurance, so I do see it, but I don't know if he got back in. I wanted to waive his appearance if possible.
He logged out, he came out, he logged back in. He attempted to show me proof of his removed window tint, which was still completely blacked out, other than the windshield. So he requested a new date. He is coming back June 1st because he's going to try to get his tent removed. I told him he will need to have his insurance documents then.
Okay, wonderful. I don't have the tinted windows on my docket, so I didn't know he had that.
Yep, he sure did.
That must be in default. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Madam Clerk, would you make sure that it does get, thank you. All righty. What's going on with Randall Page in room 14? Oh, they're waiting for her to talk to the officers. Okay. All right, Ms. Horn.
Yeah, we're ready. We're gonna move for dismissal.
On which one? I'm sorry.
And we're gonna move for dismissal. I just want to explain on the record why I'm moving for dismissal. Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Let me get my headset on. Okay, is that better, Your Honor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
It's better. All right, I'll take the telephone file. Thank you. Calling tickets number P1880863 and P1880864. These are both City versus Tyrone Talifer. Mr. Talifer, please state your name for the record.
Hello, yes, Tyrone Niam Talifer the second.
Thank you. Attorney Horn.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Officer Risky, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Officer John Risky, badge number 4260.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Horn.
Yes, the people are moving to dismiss both counts. One, because I believe based on the fact pattern, this should have been charged as possibly disregarding officer's lawful order. So I don't think we can proceed on that. Also, with the insufficient or defective lights, we don't have video to show your Honor, and I think that it would best be suited that you'd be able to see the lights because both testimonies may conflict. So we are moving for dismissal on that.
All right, thank you. Both matters are dismissed. Motion to dismiss is granted. Have a good day, Mr. Talifer and Ms. Isbell. Thank you for your appearance, Officer Risky.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And then, thank you. And then Ms. Horn, do we have anything going on with Raynell in 14? That's the one I'm getting, he's just been here for a long time. Raynell Page.
Page. No one's spoken with me about him.
Check with
maybe.
Jaden Robinson, that's when she wants to talk to you about. She's in room 2.
Got it. Yeah, she had to go and do something, so I ended up working with Mr. Johnson instead. So, okay, I got you.
So maybe he can help Mr. Page. I don't know, but that's the last person we've got left, except for Attorney Malafite's client in room 3, who he's already in there with. That's Townsend.
Okay.
Thank you.
Townsend, let me do this for you. Townsend. Okay. Yeah, I gave him an offer. Thank you.
Randall Page is just insurance expired plates and driver's license. That's why I'm confused. Oh, no, she's gone. I don't understand. Do we not have an offer? There she is. Okay. With, it sounds like. Okay. I'm just so confused. It's a very simple case. As far as I can see, I just wonder what else is going on.
Yeah. I don't know. They could hear, they would have said no response.
On April 5th.
And Your Honor, I'm sorry. Did I miss anything? I think you were saying something about right before I left, and then.
Oh, no, I was kind of just asking, I was looking at, Mr. Page or Ms. Page and saying looked like it was just one of those insurance registration license tickets. I was confused about what was going on, but I assume there was some kind of wrinkle that I'm not aware of.
Yep. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Uh-huh. So we've got, looks like you're done, Attorney Johnson. Is that what you came to tell me?
Yeah, just sometimes the attorney's house counsel is the last to know. But yeah,
all right.
Tyler got worked out, so that's
great.
Good.
Thank you for all of your hard work today. I really appreciate it.
Take care, everybody.
I was feeling neglected. I was like, I haven't seen Attorney Johnson in a minute now. Where'd he go?
You know, it's out of my hands. I just go where they tell me.
All right. Have a good day.
All right, you too. All right, bye-bye.
And then it looks like Malafite is in with Mitez Townsend. We've got an officer there. Okay, ready on Page. Good morning again. We're ready on Randall Page.
Yes, Your Honor. He's going to be pleading to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed person to drive.
Okay. Other two being dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Calling ticket number P1892022, City versus Randall Page. Mr. Page, please unmute, turn your camera back on, and state your name for the record after Attorney Gaden Robinson. Attorney Gaden Robinson, your appearance, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Page. Mr. Page, please state your full name for the record.
Mr. Page, please keep your camera on and stay unmuted. We are doing your case. Ready. Thank you.
I apologize. My name is Randall Page.
Thank you. All right. You're going to plead guilty to one amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, with the first two counts being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Mr. Page, were you advised that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Were you advised of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today, because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you are going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything I'm going to say today is the truth, nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on April 6th of 2026, in the area of Michigan Avenue and Livernois, that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes.
Thank you. The fine is $190, sir. You have 60 days to get it paid or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you. Oh, no, I don't need it no more. It's over.
Okay. Did Aaron Pace? He must have a date to come back.
Mr. Pace did get a date. Let me see.
Okay, that's
Hold
okay.
on.
I looked at I had the file on my desk and was trying to remember. Looks like same thing with Cynthia Tyson. She was given a new date. Okay.
Yeah, I'm literally typing the stuff up right now for Madam Clerk, so I'm not her problem child today.
No rush. I'm just trying to make sure it makes sense of what's on my desk.
Oh, he has additional matters. Let me write that actually. Miss Madam Clerk, for Mr. Pettigrew,
Yes.
he had a date for tomorrow. I told him we were gonna put everything for his June 1st date.
Okay. Alrighty, I will write that down now.
Okay, bye everybody. Talk to you soon.
What's going on with Townsend?
Not sure, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Malafite, before we were getting ready to lose Ms. Horn, because this is our last matter. What's going on with Townsend?
We are trying to make a determination if he's going to take the plea, Your Honor.
Okay.
I think that these way, and I apologize to Ms. Horn for holding things up. Yes, if for clarity's sake, Ms. Horn, we have your officer and they would be ready to proceed.
Attorney Horn, can you hear Attorney Malafite? The officer is here.
Yes, that I know.
Ms. Horn, sorry, I think she's gotten into another.
I understand. She has many things she's doing.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I am all set. Have a wonderful day. Madam
you,
Clerk,
Attorney
you should
Gaynor.
have your email.
Yes, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Attorney Horn, can you hear me? Let's see if I can get her a chat. Hopefully she'll turn back around here to us in a minute.
Fingers crossed.
Looks like she's looking at her phone. Let me see if I can get that to go. Have you spoken with Ms. Horn about this case this
Yes,
morning?
Your Honor. We have a recommendation. We know what we would like to do, but my client is understandably there are some issues that he's just trying to make a determination.
I mean, that's fine with me, but at
I
this
know.
point, sounds like you have her offer. The officer's here, so she's spoken to her officer and knows whether or not her officer is ready to proceed.
Yeah.
And so either there's an offer that's going to be accepted, or we've got a trial that we need to start.
Yes, Your Honor. Let me quick talk to him. Give me 2 minutes here, and then we'll make a determination.
Thank you. Carlos Thomas, good morning. What time were you supposed to be here?
I just realized that it was May 18th. I was supposed to be here at 8:30.
Okay, well, court literally just ended. We have one matter left that may go to trial, but that's all we've got today. Would you like to come back tomorrow? Because you need to speak with an attorney and they're gone.
Yes, please.
Right, 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. Do not be late.
Okay, I'll be there.
All right, bye-bye.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
I know. Attorney Malafite, I mean, his question was essentially that, they've got some issues apparently. And he said, he wanted to know if your officer was present and prepared to proceed to trial. And I said, the officer is present and you've spoken with the officer and made an offer. So that tells me that you guys are prepared to go to trial if necessary. He's in room 3 talking to the client if you want to go to him.
Who's the defendant, Your Honor?
Itez Townsend. You have Officer Martin here on that case. So if you want to speak to Malafite again, I can move him to room 2.
Okay, is Martin in the room?
Martin's in room 1.
Okay, thank you. I'll go speak with him. I haven't had an opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This for you.
Your Honor.
Yes, okay, Ms. Horn did come back, and then she said she was going in to talk to Townsend.
Okay.
So if you want to see if she's got something else to tell
Okay.
you. 'cause
I'll
apparently she-
talk to, I'll try to talk to her one more time to the prosecutor because he's ready to proceed. But let's see.
now she just left.
Yep.
What is going on with this case? All right.
Well, we got our officer. No, sure, there she is. I
She
think
got
she
knocked
signed
out.
up. Yep.
Okay. All right, guys, we're starting to
Sorry.
run around in circles on this one. That's okay. We just need to try to figure it out. Did you get a chance to speak with your officer?
I didn't. I decided to get off my phone so I can do more substantial. He's going to show me a video. And also, Madam Clerk, would you mind sending a copy of the ticket, please?
Well, so Mr. Attorney Malafite's question was just whether or not your officer is prepared for trial today.
Yes. Yep.
Okay. All right.
And so we offered a careless and a due care caution 2-pointer or a 3-point civil infraction.
Okay. All right. And you've had a chance to discuss that, Attorney Malafite, with your client?
I have, yes.
Okay. And are we prepared to proceed?
Yes.
Okay.
And I still need to proceed how? I just need to know so I can, because I'm going to go. Okay.
Sounds like your
Trial.
officer.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh,
All
trial?
right.
We teach
Yes.
trial? Okay. And so you wish to speak with your officer before we begin trial?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, guys. All right. So let's, do you know how long this video is that you're going to need to watch?
I'm not sure.
I can tell you the one because I just watched. I think that the thing that you're going to be looking at, Ms. Horn, is like 8 seconds long.
Okay.
I could take you in the other room. I could show you what I think they're going to use.
I just need to talk to my officer.
Go ahead.
Okay. All
Thank
right.
you.
Well, let me know.
All right.
All right.
If I have co-host.
Yep, you have co-host. Okay, Mr.
Thank you.
Townsend, we're going to put you back in a breakout room for just a minute while we get that straightened out, okay? Attorney Malafite, I'll move him to room 4 just because he can't move himself back. He'll be in
That's
4.
fine, Judge.
Okay, go ahead and join room 4, Mr. Townsend. Okay, how we doing?
Pretty good. I think Martin is. We're all back. I think
Okay, very
he
good.
should be coming out.
Try to get my video back on. All right, so everybody's ready. I'll just close the breakout rooms.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can I have a couple sheets of paper, please, ma'am? Thank you. Madam Clerk, did you get on Pettigrew? We were going to remove the warrants. They got a new date. I just want to make sure that this, okay.
Yeah.
I had made a note for myself.
Yes, she sent an email about that.
Okay, we got one count of drag racing.
Mr. Townsend, you got to take that off your head.
I'm just taking a look at the statute. Be right
Yes,
with you
Your
guys.
Honor.
Should I have to take my head off?
Yes, sir. Unless it's for religious purposes.
All right, 1 second.
Okay. All right, we're ready.
Believe so, Judge.
Thank you. Calling ticket number SP 186-97541, City versus Mitez Townsend. Today is the date and time scheduled for trial. Appears that all parties are present. Ms. Horn, your appearance, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. Officer Martin, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Officer Joshua Martin, badge 4091, Detroit Police.
And good morning,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Mitez Townsend. Mr. Townsend, go ahead and unmute yourself and state your full name for the record.
My name is Mitez Townsend.
Your Honor, it's my understanding, well, we're ready to proceed at this time with the trial.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Horn, is Officer Martin going to be your first witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Officer Martin, please raise your right hand. Go ahead and unmute. Thank you. And do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Horn?
Thank you, Your Honor. The people have charged Mr. Townsend with drag racing with another vehicle in the City of Detroit. Officer Martin is our complaining witness who was also there with a partner at the scene. and therefore charged Mr. Montez as a participant, Montez Townsend as a participant in that that dangerous driving exhibition as noted by Detroit City Code section 31517A et al. Officer Martin, where are you
I'm
currently?
sorry, Attorney Horn, because I didn't ask for opening statements, but
That's
you
right.
gave. And
That's right.
and does that
That's it.
surmise
Yep.
your opening statement? Thank you. Attorney Malafide, did you wish to make an opening statement?
No, Your Honor, we'd waive.
All right, thank you. Go ahead, Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Officer Martin, where are you currently employed?
City of Detroit Police Department,
And how long have you been a police officer?
8.5 years.
Okay. And please describe any training that you've received as a police officer, especially as it states to traffic.
I'm an accident reconstructionist through the state of Michigan, Michigan State Police, and I've been LiDAR, radar trained for a little over 3 years.
Okay. And also, are you trained in observations as far as speed or driving?
Yeah, that comes with the LiDAR and radar.
Okay. And what did your training teach you to look for when it comes to a charge such as this, which is drag racing?
To have two vehicles going above the speed limit side by side simultaneously. That's the short of it.
And in this particular matter, on February 18th, 2026 at approximately 5:23 p.m., were you on duty?
I was on duty.
And were you at the intersection of Oakman Boulevard and Rosa Parks Boulevard?
I was.
And is that in the city of Detroit?
It is.
And what brought you to that area, Officer Martin?
Routine patrol.
And while you were on routine patrol there, what did you observe at that date and time?
I heard a loud engine coming towards me, and I looked to the left, which would have been westbound on Oakman, towards westbound on Oakman, and I observed a gray F-150 or gray Dodge Ram and a blue F-150 coming towards me at a high rate of speed, side by side, going back and forth when they
Your
passed.
Honor, I'm going to object at this point. I know that we have made an attempt here to establish the bona fides for this officer in terms of speeding, but I'm going to say that we're going to have to still have a full read through of whether or not he's made fair and see standards as to whether or not he can make a statement as to whether or not they were speeding at this point.
Right, thank you. Ms. Horn, do you want to develop the question as to, I'll give you a chance to do that if you wish to. So I'll overrule it at this time because I think Ms. Horn can probably establish that. I'm going to let her go ahead and do the questioning.
And you stated there were two basically pickup trucks heading towards you?
Yes, ma'am.
And on what road were they traveling on?
Open.
Okay. And is it one way that way?
It's a divided highway with no traffic barriers. There's a median in the middle. It's 2 lanes in each direction.
And they were both on Oakman?
Both going eastbound, yes, correct.
Okay. And you stated that you observe them going at a high rate of speed. Did you have your LiDAR on at the time?
It was on, but it doesn't work that way.
Okay. And how does it work?
LiDAR has to be approaching or departing from my vehicle in the same direction I'm facing. And I was perpendicular to Oakman.
Okay. And from your visual observation, let's just go back to what is the speed limit on Oakman there, if you can recall?
25 miles per hour.
And would you say that they were traveling faster than 25 miles per hour?
Yes. Yes.
Again, I'm going to object, Judge.
I understand your objection. It's still overruled at this
Thank
time. Ms. Horn is still questioning. Thank you.
Did it appear that they were traveling greater than 25 miles per hour?
Yes.
Okay. And after you observed this, what did you do?
I initiated.
I am going to stop you. I think there's, a further question to be developed, which is, Officer Martin, what made you think that they were going more than 25 miles per hour?
The area is 25 miles per hour zone, which is quite a low speed. With the objects around them and the cars that are traveling behind them, They were obviously pulling away from what I could tell from the vehicles that were behind them. And then the engine noise.
Okay, thank you.
And were they traveling side by side?
They were.
Okay. And did it appear that they were getting faster?
At first, yes.
And you said that was on Oakman Boulevard.
Correct.
Okay. And after that, after you observed that, what did you do?
I turned on my overhead lights and sirens and turned eastbound down Oakman, where I attempted to catch up to both vehicles.
And what rate of speed were you traveling to catch up to them?
I had to go close to 60 miles an hour to catch up to them.
And in a 25-mile-per-hour zone.
Correct.
And after you caught up, did you have partners with you that day?
I had 2 people working with me that day.
Okay. And do you recall your partners' names that day?
Officer Balint and Officer Cavalos.
Okay. And were you wearing body worn cam at the time of the incident?
Yes, we were.
And did your scout car pick up any video?
Yes, it did.
Okay. And once you initiated the stop, you pulled over. Whom did you pull over out of the 2 vehicles?
I initially passed the blue F-150 and got the first vehicle in the line, which was the gray Dodge Ram.
Okay. And the gray, who was driving the F-150?
The F-150 was driven by Mr. Mitez Townsend.
Okay. And is that do you believe that person is in the virtual courtroom today?
I do.
And would you please describe something about that person?
He's got a mustache, a blue shirt, and a short afro, sitting in a vehicle with a sunroof.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, please let the record reflect that the officer has identified the defendant?
Record will reflect Mr. Townsend in the blue shirt has been identified as the defendant.
Okay. And had you may I, Your Honor, the people would like to introduce body worn cam of Officer Scout cam first of the Scout car in which Officer Martin was operating.
Thank you. Attorney Malafide, any objection?
No objection.
Okay, thank you. Horn, please go ahead. Attorney Horn. Oh, if I'm not enabled screen sharing, let's see.
Yep, I got it. I'm just making sure I have it here. And Your Honor, this is the body worn, actually the Scout cam of Officer Josh Martin. Officer Josh Martin, is this an accurate and fair representation of your camera that day?
Yes, ma'am.
Your body worn cam, and I'm trying to move it, Your Honor, so that it's not. Yeah, we'll put it up here. And is that your name right there?
It is.
Okay. Now the vehicles will be coming from which direction, according to what we're seeing here?
The left side of the screen.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see if we get both.
And is this where you're at catching up to them at 52 miles per hour?
Yes.
And that's according to the Scout video, tracker.
Correct.
I'm gonna say
And is this the vehicle in which defendant was driving?
No.
Okay. And is there more video as we move forward of defendant in the scout video?
Yes, it's going to be on Cavalos's camera, Officer Cavalos's.
And is that also a fair and accurate representation of what you saw on the other side of the vehicle or while you were doing the investigation?
Yes, ma'am.
Point of
And
clarification, please. Was the answer that no, the defendant was not driving the pickup truck that I'm seeing right now?
Correct. That's the other vehicle he was drag racing. The defendant's truck is going to be behind me, behind my scout car.
All right, thank you. Before we leave this video, Ms. Horn, I don't know if your plan was to show more of this video. I'm going to ask you to replay it, please. Like to see it again.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Thank you.
May the record reflect that the video is being restarted.
Let's see if we can get both. I'm gonna see on the other guy too.
And I think it's fair to say, would you say also, Officer Martin, it'd be fair to switch over to the body worn cam to see the conversation, Your Honor?
Yes.
I think, yeah, this is just going to be outside.
Okay.
And Your Honor, the people are requesting to publish and introduce, and for purposes for the record, the people move to admit Exhibit 1, which is the scout car video of Officer Joshua Martin.
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, admitted or published.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And this is the video of Officer Martin. Mr. Malafide, any objections?
No, Your Honor. Or I'm sorry. No, sorry about that, Ms. Horn.
Just making sure. I know we both watched it.
Yep.
Okay, thank you so much. Your Honor, permission to publish?
Granted.
And Officer Martin, is this your body worn cam based on what we're looking at here?
Yes, I was the driver.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see if we can get both. Hey guys, keep on going. I want the ram anyways. Let's see what the other guy too. We'll see if we can get them both. That's not very smart, but I'm fucking around. You got ID? Yes, I got my ID. Can I see it, please? Can I take my seatbelt off? Yes. Yeah.
And again, is this defendant?
No, it is not the defendant.
Okay. And based on your observations, what would you say this person would be? Or
Go ahead.
Or, you know, what part of this video or this incident would you say this person played?
This is the other participant that also received a citation for drag racing.
Thank you.
I don't know. 702. Can you show us at Lincoln and Oakman? We got 2 trucks stopped for drag racing. You got insurance?
Yes, it's on my phone.
Can I see it, please?
Your Honor, I'm just going to object to relevance. Can we move to the part where it's my client? I don't know why we're watching.
Absolutely. I was
Thank
just
you.
Yep, I appreciate that.
Sustain.
Okay. The people move to admit Officer Martin's body worn cam.
Attorney Malphite, any?
I guess no objection. I just don't know what we're going to use it for, but sure.
Are you planning to show any more of Officer Martin's body worn camera, Attorney Horn?
No, it doesn't appear that we need to move forward further with that one, as he identifies that person as the participant and not the defendant. I believe, Mr. Malafite, we're talking about Officer Cavallo's body worn cam.
All right, thank you. Granted then.
Okay, permission to publish, Your Honor?
Yep, granted.
Thank you.
Are we watching Officer Cavallo's video now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see if we can get both. I'm gonna stick on the other guy too. Go. Pull over. There's racing about here or what? No. Huh?
No. It's just kind of loud. I got an exhaust sweep.
Y'all were
bag. It's coming from the muff. It's coming from the manifold.
You don't gotta do that. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
You CPL or any firearms in the car?
Yes, sir.
I see registration and insurance, please. Do you know that person in that truck?
No.
This is your work vehicle?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second, okay?
And Officer Martin, is that you ahead of us on the other vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And I think, Mr. Malafite, we might be able to go further. Let me see. I don't think.
Yeah, take a look. I don't know how much more you're going to be
Yeah.
able to get, but yeah, go ahead and take a look.
And we're on YouTube too, so I don't want any of his
Understood.
information. Yep.
Another point of clarification, please. Are we charging that Mr. Townsend is the one that's being spoken to at this point by Officer Cavallos? I just want to
Yes,
make
Your
sure
Honor.
that.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Correct.
Thank you. I think it's mostly near the end, officer, like you said.
Here for drag racing, okay? You're lucky that we're not taking the car. Okay? Here's all your stuff back. There's 14 days of total contact here. You have any questions?
How much is this?
The court will contact you. You have to go to court for that. It's a misdemeanor, okay?
So how was that drag racing?
You were drag racing that car.
Well, how then?
You guys were racing each other, going back and forth. It's on camera. You can show up to court and fight it if you want to, okay? Thanks.
Okay, Your Honor, may the record reflect that Officer Kafala's body worn cam stopped at 11 minutes and 42 seconds. And at this time, that is the video.
The record will so reflect. I'm concerned that there is something that you want me to be getting from the beginning of that video. And I don't know if I'm alone in not being able to understand what the defendant was saying. And I don't know if you can replay it. I'll try to give it a closer listen, that first part that you played, because I'm having trouble understanding what was said.
Okay, Your Honor, Mr. Malafite, I'm going to replay it, okay?
Yes,
for
that's
the
fine.
court. Okay, thank you.
Listen, please, let's see if I can't hear. See if you can understand what he's saying. Try to understand if it's just our.
And it might not pick up for 30 seconds or so. Usually it's this a nice little silent pause before
And
it.
it's in a little bit. You can move it, I think, a touch, but
okay.
Because they got to stop him first. Let's see if we can get both. I'm gonna signal the other guy too. Go. Pull over. Who's racing about here or what? No? Huh? No.
It's just kind of loud. I got an exhaust sweep.
Y'all were.
Bag. It's coming from the It's coming from the manifold.
You don't gotta do that. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
You CPL or any firearms in the car? Let's see registration and insurance, please. Do you know that person in that truck?
Yeah.
This is your work vehicle?
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second, okay?
Satisfied, Your Honor, or
Yes, thank you, Attorney
okay,
Horn.
thank you.
Mm-hmm.
And in closing with this witness at this time, Officer Martin, is that a fair and accurate representation of what you observed during this incident?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you did you write a ticket for drag racing for the other participant?
Yes, both participants received a ticket.
Okay, thank you. I think no further questions at this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Cross?
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, officer.
Good morning, Mr. Malphite.
So a couple of quick things, sir, that we needed to clarify. I know that you had mentioned before that you were qualified in LiDAR, radar, all sorts of different types of speed training. Is that accurate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I believe that you had mentioned that that it is the sort of thing that gets renewed. When was the last time that you had your speed training renewed?
It does not get renewed. That I'm aware of. I could be wrong, I'm not saying, but I was not notified by the academy that I need to take a recert on it. I can tell you the exact date if you give me a second when I was qualified, if that helps.
If you can do that if you would like, sir, I guess my only question would be whether or not it had happened in the last year.
It was not the last year, sir.
Okay. Sir, you stated previously that this is the sort of thing that you would have to make a determination based on when they were passing by you, you weren't using LiDAR because LiDAR would not work in that manner. Is that accurate?
Correct.
And it is your testimony that you weren't using any other sort of method, scientific, using a laser or anything else to measure their speed. Is that accurate?
I was not using any other instrument, sir.
Okay. Sir, you mentioned that you noticed where my client was located, or you became aware of them. At what point? When did they first come to your attention?
They would have been between 14th and I think that's Linwood.
Okay.
So I'm at Rosa Parks. The next light is 14th, so it would have been near 14th.
Okay. In terms of rough distance, what is the distance between you and where they were located?
When I first saw them?
Correct.
Just under 1,000 feet.
Okay. So did you become aware of them when they were at the light, or was it, as I seem to recall, someone mentioned something about a noise that alerted to you?
I heard a loud exhaust speeding up.
Okay.
Like getting louder and fine. I don't know how to describe it. Getting more high pitched, which typically means they're speeding up.
Understood. So it was the noise that triggered you to look that way, and that's when you saw both of them located. I guess it would have been a little less than 1,000 feet moving away from the light.
Correct.
Okay. Did you at any point see, if you recall, was there anybody in front of them at that light, or when you observed them?
It was just the two vehicles. There was, I think, two other vehicles behind them, but they were the first two people I seen.
Okay. In watching the video that you have just seen, is it a fair statement to say that the car that was, I'll use the term winning, was the gray car, the car belonging to not to Mr. Townsend?
Correct. It was a gray Dodge Ram.
Okay. Do you recall the distance in between the two when they passed by you, or would you have to refresh your recollection?
I would say it was probably around 50 feet.
Okay, so there was that was the gap between the two at that point.
Give or take, yeah.
Okay. Now, you had testified previously that you had observed that there was, and you can correct my language on this, but that they had traded places, like they were accelerating, attempting to get past one another. Was there a point in which my client had passed the gray car?
Not past him, no. Not from the visual that I had.
Okay, from the visual, what you observed, it was simply that the one car was accelerating. My client's car was also accelerating, but not keeping pace.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
And sir, you'd refreshed your recollection using the video. What were you using in order to make a determination of how fast you believe that my client was going before they passed by your squad car?
Visual estimate with the stationary objects, the sound of the car, and then both vehicles.
Okay. Is there a term for the ability to figure out based on visual objects? Is there a method to that?
Not that I'm aware of. I don't know the term for it.
Okay. Have you ever heard the term pacing?
Yes, I've paced vehicles before.
Okay. Would it be an accurate statement to say that what you were attempting to do was pace the car?
No.
No.
Pacing would require me to be behind them or traveling in a similar direction as them, gauging my speed on my car with their speed on theirs.
Very good. So then you're saying that you were using one stationary object, or was it your placement based against another stationary object in order to make a determination of the speed that they were moving at?
I was gauging from the light on 14th and where I was sitting on 12th. I wasn't timing it. I was just seeing that they were moving higher than 25 miles an hour, in my opinion, my 3.5 years of being LiDAR trained.
Understood. But again, the LiDAR doesn't really play into this. Okay, hold on just 1 second, sir. Your Honor, I don't believe I have any other questions for this witness.
All right, thank you. Any redirect, Attorney Horn?
Yes, Your Honor. Based on just one question as to your visionary observation here on the speed, had you been observing speeds greater than the speed limit within the last year?
Yes.
Had you been observing speeds greater than the speed limit or greater than great speeds or fast speeds within the last week of this incident?
Of that incident, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Anything further, Attorney Malafide, for this witness?
Not with this witness. Mr. Townsend, did you wish to testify?
What exactly do you mean by that?
We talked about this, Mr. Townsend. You have a right to remain silent. You don't need to take the stand if you don't wish to.
I mean, in my case, I wasn't
No,
driving.
Mr. Townsend, no. The only question we're answering right now is whether or not you wish to testify. Don't speak unless, is that what you wish to do? Do you want to testify?
No.
Mr. Townsend, what your attorney is asking you is if you wish to try to tell your side of the story. If you wish to do that, both he and Attorney Horn will have the ability to ask you questions to try to establish their side of the case. You are under no obligation to testify, and no negative inference is made from your refusal to testify or your desire not to testify. And so it is completely up to you.
Okay, no.
Okay. Then, Your Honor, we would rest.
Thank you. Okay, so let me start by saying part of my initial confusion was that the ticket has Mr. Townsend driving a gray vehicle. It appears in the video that the gray vehicle was the lead vehicle and Mr. Townsend was in the blue vehicle when all is said and done. But I don't think that's fatal to the ticket. I think due process has been met here on the face of the ticket, given the context. I too was watching to see if pacing had been engaged as a method to determine speed here initially, because initially I was watching the gray truck, which according to the ticket would have been the one that I expected Mr. Townsend to be driving, which is why I asked to have the video replayed. I wanted to see how fast Officer Martin was going and for how long and how close he stayed to the gray vehicle so that we could determine whether or not a speed had been established of some sort, given pacing. However, then we learned that that in fact was not Mr. Townsend's vehicle. And so what I don't have is LiDAR, radar, or pacing, even anything close to pacing Mr. Townsend's vehicle. It's very obvious to me that that gray truck was speeding. And if I had a speeding ticket in front of me on the gray truck, they'd be guilty all day long. Then I asked to have the video replayed because I was looking for the other vehicle, thinking, where is this other vehicle that Mr. Townsend is operating? And is there any evidence that they're pacing? And I didn't see that. so, and then I was listening to see, I asked to have the video replayed again because I was listening to see had there been some sort of admission made by Mr. Townsend at the time he was pulled over that in fact he was engaged in a race of some sort with this other vehicle, and I did not hear that. I've worked with Officer Martin for a long time, and I have a lot of respect for him and what he does. I do think he is very credible. But I've got to have, according to the statute, a rate of speed exceeding the speed limit on Mr. Townsend's particular vehicle to find him guilty of drag racing. I have to have something that shows me that he was exceeding the speed limit. As I said, I can see very clearly that the gray truck was, but I can't see from the video that Mr. Townsend's truck was. This is the difficulty that I'm having. I don't have on the video cars overtaking each other, moving back and forth. I've got what was described as 1,000-foot approximately gap between these two vehicles. I'm just having difficulty finding the elements met here. As I said, although I have a lot of respect for Officer Martin and what he does, because I know he's been doing it for a long time. When I was doing civil infraction hearings, I've been working with him for a long time. But I'm not seeing the elements met in this particular case. Officer Martin, I see your hand is raised. I'm in the opinion portion, but because I do have a lot of respect for you, is there something that I'm missing in terms of the statement that I've made?
I wouldn't say missing. I just don't know if you observed both vehicles in the front radar or the front camera after I turned, because both vehicles were in there, in that camera footage. The blue F-150 pulled to the side and I passed him, and that's because I went for the first car first. I understand what you're saying with the elements, and I'm in no disagreement with you at this time. I don't have an articulable way to determine speed without measurements, so I'm going on past experience in 8 years. But I understand what you're saying. I just didn't know if you've seen both vehicles in my camera footage after I turned. That was my only question.
Okay, so part of the problem was I wasn't initially looking for a blue truck. I was focused on the gray truck because the ticket is listed as a gray truck. And I'm happy to try to look at it again, but there are certain ways that speed must be established. We've got LiDAR, radar, and pacing. As you said, I don't know any term or any standard that uses a stationary object, although let's do this. And I know this is a little bit out of the ordinary. Ms. Horn, would you play that first video again for me, please?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you described pacing perfectly, which has been, one of my irritations over the years. And you've got that down pat exactly how to do it, not with you, but with some of the other officers that are describing what they would describe as pacing, which was not when they weren't pacing. So I'm glad to know that you have a good understanding of that.
Normally I do pace, but the initial stop for this was what was seen before they passed me. So unfortunately, that's not on camera, and I have no disagreements with you on the established probable cause.
Okay, thank you. But we'll take a look at it one more time, see if I can see anything.
If you don't mind, I can narrate it, or you just rather watch it.
You're still sworn. If Attorney Malafide does not have an objection.
I have no objection.
Okay, go ahead and describe to me as we're seeing it. That's fine. Thank you.
So the first vehicle you're going to see should be the Dodge Ram in the number 1 lane, which is the furthest car from me. Right there. And then you have the blue F-150 right behind him on the right in the number 2 lane. And when I pull over, the first set of headlights or taillights is going to be Mr. Townsend. The one in front of him is going to be the Dodge Ram. And as you can see, it took me well greater speed than the F-150. That's not in any question. But yeah, so I just wanted to make sure you've seen both vehicles. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for doing that. I did see it.
You're welcome.
You know, unfortunately, because you did get the first vehicle, you overtook the second vehicle. And so I don't even have like a semi-pacing kind of an analysis to make with respect to the first vehicle because you weren't with them long enough to establish any rate of speed that he might have been going. Like I said, gray truck is guilty all day of high speed. I don't know about the drag racing, but of certainly of going at high speed. In terms of Mr. Townsend, I just don't have enough evidence there to establish that he was going above the rate of speed long enough to establish pacing, or that occurred long enough to establish that, or that that they were engaged in drag racing. So I'm going to find him not guilty. Mr. Townsend, I'm finding you not guilty of the drag racing. All right. I'm sorry. I should have allowed closing arguments, Ms. Attorney Horn, because I went straight into my opinion. Attorney Horn, if you wish to make one, I'm still open to being convinced otherwise. If that's the case, please go ahead.
Just 1 minute. For closing for the people, based on what prior to the ruling, I was just going to state that Officer Martin is very credible and experienced as to watching vehicles going faster than speed limit, which was 25, which I believe he was very transparent about it being a slow area. So even it's very noticeable. He's also had an opportunity to visualize and pace within even a week or so before this incident. There were 2 or more vehicles, which was the Ram and the F-150, the pickup trucks side by side, in an attempt to outdistance each other. The back and forth that was observed before approaching the scout car and the side by side almost, while Mr. Townsend's vehicle was not winning. It did appear that they were racing each other, and he may not have been winning because of the issues he mentioned with his car. But in closing, they were on a common course, which was Oakman Boulevard in the city of Detroit. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney Horn. And again, I could not understand much of what the defendant was saying in the video. So you are raising an issue of saying what was going on. He might not have been winning because of the issues with his car. The problem is I'm sitting here with Madam Clerk, and I also asked her to listen closely because I could not understand what was said. And so it sounds like you're saying he was having issues with his vehicle. So that's noted for the record. Okay, Attorney Malafite, any closing argument?
Not too much to add that the court hasn't already said. I would point to Officer Martin, who I agree has been very forthcoming in all of these matters, Judge. I think that one of the things that he mentioned is what called to his attention was the very loud exhaust. That's what made him turn his head when they initially went to look. I believe, Judge, that is one of the things, and it makes sense to me, because that is the thing that most people associate with accelerating quickly. And Mr. Townsend's point, I believe, when he was going through this is like, no, it sounds like this all the time. He said that's why that this particular thing happened. Judge, I don't think, given the circumstances that we have here, and the court's already mentioned this, that I don't know if we've established all of what we would need to in order to show that there was acceleration, showing a mutual agreement to accelerate at the light to exceed the speed limit, because we'd have to be able to show that that's part of the prima facie case, that it's like, well, they intended to exceed the speed limit past this point at that time. And I think what it was is that they saw the very fast moving car next to it. They heard the loud exhaust, and a conclusion was reached.
All right, thank you. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing further from the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yeah, and I would agree. The prima facie case does require that they accelerate rapidly from a common point, and unfortunately, we're not seeing them from a common point because they're coming through light. The finding is not guilty at this point. Please don't take it personally. Officer Martin is one of my favorite officers. I think he knows that. We've had discussions about my neighborhood and places I need to look out for and go and not go, and I've always appreciated his advice and find him very credible.
Feelings, mistakes happen, and that's something I own up to. So.
All right. So yeah, just on this one, I'm just not finding the elements met. So not guilty here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay.
Real quick, Your Honor, is Mr. Malphite able to go to a breakout room real quick?
Yes, absolutely.
You guys
Um,
want to go
can we
to, why don't
move-
I move you? Yep, I'm going to open the rooms back up. That'll probably pop you both back where you are. And then
I'll go to 3 and then I'll try to find you if you don't.
Yep, he's in room 1. You can go to room 1. Okay. Mr. Townsend, we're done with the trial. There's no reason that you have to remain. I'm not sure what the